In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Zoom connected so you can automate meeting creation directly from your GoHighLevel workflows, saving time and keeping everything in one place. Let's start at the source. Open your GoHighLevel sub-account. Make sure you're in the exact sub-account where your workflows live and that you have permission to manage integrations. Being in the right location prevents confusion later when you test automations. Once you're in, look at the left-hand panel and click App Marketplace. This is where GoHighLevel lists all the official apps and add-ons you can connect. If you don't see the marketplace, double-check your user role or switch to the correct sub-account. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type Zoom. You'll see a few options, but the one you want for automations is called Zoom for Workflows. Open it to view the app details. Take a moment to skim the description and confirm it matches what you need, specifically, the ability to create Zoom meetings as part of your workflow actions. Next, click Install. GoHighLevel will guide you through a short setup flow. You'll be asked to choose where to install it, so select the sub-account that will run your workflows. This ensures the Zoom actions appear exactly where you build automations for your team or clients. After selecting the sub-account, click Continue. You may see a permissions window or be prompted to sign in to your Zoom account if you aren't already. Be sure you're using the correct Zoom user, ideally the one that should own the meetings created by your automations. If you manage multiple Zoom users, align this with your scheduling and ownership preferences to avoid confusion with hosts and calendars. When the authorization screen appears, review the requested permissions so you know what the integration will access. Then click Allow and Install at the bottom right. That confirms the connection and completes the setup. At this point, your integration is active. In your workflows, you'll now have Zoom actions available to automatically create meetings when a trigger fires, like a booked call, a form submission, or a pipeline stage change. As a best practice, test a sample workflow with a test contact to confirm that meetings are generated as expected and that the meeting owner, time zone, and notifications match your preferences. That's it. You've successfully integrated Zoom with GoHighLevel, and you're ready to automate meeting creation inside your workflows.